This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin heart rate monitor to your Garmin watch. Achieving a seamless connection is crucial for accurate heart rate tracking during your workouts and daily activities. We'll go over the simple steps to get your devices paired up quickly and efficiently, ensuring you capture all your important physiological data. This guide will help you maximize the utility of your Garmin ecosystem, making your fitness journey more informed and effective from the very start. Before we dive into the pairing process, let's ensure both your Garmin heart rate monitor and watch are ready. First, confirm your HRM has a good battery and is comfortably secured to your chest. Next, make sure your Garmin watch is adequately charged and powered on. It's also a good practice to have both devices close to each other. Finally, quickly check that both your watch and HRM have the most recent software updates installed for the best compatibility and performance. Now let's connect your devices. On your Garmin watch, begin by navigating to the main menu. From there, look for the Sensors and Accessories option and select it. Within this menu, you'll find an option to add new sensor. Choose heart rate or HRM from the list. Your watch will then search for nearby heart rate monitors. Once your specific HRM appears, select it to complete the pairing. You should see a confirmation message indicating a successful connection. After successfully pairing, it's important to verify the connection. You should immediately see your heart rate data displayed on your watch screen. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common first step is to simply restart both your Garmin watch and your heart rate monitor, then try the pairing process again. Also, ensure there are no significant physical obstructions or other electronic devices causing interference. With these simple checks, you should be tracking your heart rate in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.